Good morning. I'm at Bath and Body Works, y'all. I'm gonna pick up my BOPIS order. They had a coupon for 20% off. As y'all do know, there's Bath and Body Works right in the background. So I decided to place a very small order. So I'm gonna pick that order up. Did y'all grab anything with that coupon? I know they had the $10 off sale for the candles. I did not buy any candles. I'm gonna wait for the $12.95 sale, and then today they doing another sale, $13.95, $5.95, and $3.95 sale on the core and signature products. It's a pass for me. I'm saving my money for this weekend because it's going to be a better sale this weekend on candles. But if you're looking for body care, you might as well go ahead and grab some if you choose. But if I were you, I would save my coupon for a better sale. That's just me, y'all. Because the core collection, I'm just saying. Some people looking for stuff that's on the core collection, but me, it's a pass. So let's head into Bath and Body Works. Bath and Body Works. I've been doing good on my savings. Like I told y'all, this month I'm not going to spend a lot of money. This is a save month for me. So let's head in here, grab this order, and then I'll show y'all exactly what I got. Cocoa Paradise. Love, love, love that scent. Oh my goodness. Put down in the comments if you love that scent as well. I was just coming in here to get my BOPIS order. I wasn't going to get nothing else, y'all. For real. I'm not buying anything else. And as you see, I'm the only person in the store. But I wasn't mad, because I really didn't want to do a lot of shopping. I really didn't even want to do a walkthrough. I just really wanted to just get my order because I'm trying to keep my money in my pocket until the candle sale this weekend. So I decided to go back here and look at the room sprays because the actual room spray that I was looking for online, it said the store didn't have it, but y'all know how they go. If they have under 5, then it will show that it's not available in the store. So I was super happy to see that Bergamot plus Birch was in the store. So I just grabbed one and swapped it out. And after that, I was really out the door, to be honest. So yeah, I just looked around a little bit, just looked to see what they had because again, the candle sale is coming. I absolutely love this watermelon candle. It is so good. It's very nice throw. And this is all of the Black History Month candles that this store has left. As you do see, it's just some washed citrus and cactus blossom was the only one. So like I said, I was back out the door with my small order. Okay, y'all, I'm out the store. As you do see, it's a super small bag. Like I said, I didn't get much. I just got some room sprays, y'all, because y'all know they haven't had a sale yet. They have not had a sale yet on room sprays. So let me get in the car and I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Okay, here is the bag. And the reason why I decided to just go ahead and grab these room sprays because they have not had a sale. And I know my store is running low on some of this stuff. So I just said, forget it. I'm gonna just go ahead and grab what I want. I used the 20%, which made them come out to like $6, 6 something. $6.40, which is not that bad, so yeah, that's the only way that you could get a little discount. I originally got 2 of the sea salt and neroli. I originally got 2 of these, but I exchanged one out because it was showing that it was out of stock at this store, but I already knew. Sometimes when you go in the store, your stuff what you're looking for will be in the store. So that's the reason why I just went on and did double, even though I did want 2 of these because I really like the scent. So the one that I was looking for and they said the store didn't have it was Bergamot and Birch. The Bergamot and Birch. I really wanted this. Y'all know I love this whole neutrals collection. So I really wanted the room sprays. The next one I grabbed is Rose plus Lychee. Rose plus lychee was the next one I got. And then the last one I got, like I said, this wasn't no big old order, y'all. The last one I got is Palo Santo plus sage. I wanted that. For some reason, this is selling out in my area. I don't know why. I don't even know what it smelled like. And I really didn't want to spray it in here, but I'm going to go ahead and do that. Even though I do have the candle, yeah, I like this. I do have the candle, but for me, the candle isn't giving me what I'm looking for in that candle. You know, I want it to be not necessarily a powerhouse, but I wanted the candle to at least be, you know, a medium throw. But yeah, that was everything I got because, again, like I said, they have not had a sale on room sprays. And because of that, anytime they have a coupon, yes, I'm going to just go ahead and grab them. I don't mind spending... Even though I want to spend like $4 on room spray, but sometimes you just got to go ahead, chuck it up, and just get what you want to get, you know, because it's not going to be a sale. And I didn't want to miss out, so I grabbed these. Leave in the comments, let me know, what did you grab with the 20% sale or with the 20% coupon, or did you just totally pass and say, you know, you're good, you're going to wait? You know, leave that down in the comments. Again, like I said, my hand's ashy. Like I said, this weekend, they're going to be doing a candle sale. Rumor have it that it's going to be $12.95. Y'all know, Bath and Body Works, switch it up super, super quick. I'm just saying. So that's just a rumor. I'm not for sure if it's going to be $12.95, but it is going to be a really, really good deal if you have that 25% coupon. So yes, that's all I got. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments at the bottom. Let me know, what did you buy? Did you skip? Let me know that. Or you buying room sprays with your coupons, or you buying room sprays at the regular price? Leave that down in the comments, y'all. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Also, shout out to my MVP riders. Shout out to you. Thank you for always holding your girl down. Thank you for always having my back. Thank you for always watching anything and everything I post. I truly, truly appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And again, subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on all of the social media platforms, do all that stuff. Use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. All that stuff do help. Again, I know I'm repeating myself. On Instagram, of course. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. All right. Peace.